Masaya kami sa progress namin. We're happy with the way we're able to get the team ready. Ang biggest concern ko kasi is to be able to start the conference with at least most of our players at 100% healthy. Si Bo Belga, babalik na. Alam natin nagka-problema siya last conference with his health. But I think he's close to 100% this conference. Lahat ng clearances from the doctors nakuha na niya. So wala nang pangamba na may mga concerns pa tayo dun sa health situation niya. And then si Luis Villegas also improving really well. Although ang tingin ko hindi siya makakaabot sa opening day, pero by the middle of the elimination round, I think he can be 100%. Ang tagal namin hinihintay si Luis Villegas, almost 2 years na. So we're really excited about him being able to play the way he can play at his maximum best this conference. So yun yung mga concern namin. Natuwa din kami na makakabalik na si Felix Nemeti from na-miss namin siya nung eliminate nung semifinals. Nagkaroon siya ng hand fracture. Then earlier before that si Mamu naman nagka-hand fracture, So nagkasunod-sunod yung mga injuries. But yet we competed, in the last 4 conferences. Nakarating kami ng semifinals. Hindi lang kami maka-break, hanggang semifinals lang. Parati namin nakakatapat, napakalakas na team, madalas yung TNT. We can't get over that hump, but we feel na itong conference na to, mas nakahanda kami. Ang laking bagay sa amin ni Stanley Pringle, na parang gumagaling yung mga nasa paligid niya, I think that's what Stanley brings. He's able to make players around him better, and he can also mentor our younger guards. Yung mga bata naming mga gwardiya, maraming matututunan sa kanya. And then we have a closer. We have a lot of games I feel we could have won dun sa end game or dun sa clutch situations. You need somebody like a Stanley Pringle to get you over, and the other guys can learn from that. May pasa niya yan dun sa mga ibang kasama niya. So the future looks bright for our team. Yung mga dinraft lang namin, hindi pa makakapaglaro, kasi may mga obligations pa sila, may mga commitments pa sila sa ibang teams at sa ibang leagues. But I feel we have a good team already as we have it right now, and we can compete with the best teams in the PBA.
Coach, kumusta naman yung progression talagang nagdala sa'yo last year, sila yung core mo?
Yung core ko yung sinasabi nyo, yung sina Adrian Nopum, sina Jonard Clarito, walang problema. I think they're even better. Siyempre habang tumatagal, nagkaka-experience sila, nahahasa pa sila, naintindihan na nila yung competition, yung gaano kagaling yung mga ibang teams na nakakalaban namin, lalo pag dumating ka na ng playoffs. I think that experience gives them a better understanding of what it takes to be able to play at a higher level. So ito mga to lalong sumisipag sa practice, lalo silang nagiging mas matalino, yung IQ nila siguro nag-i-improve. May konting setback lang kami kay Santi, Santi Santillan, yung last tune-up game namin sa Meralco, sa Isabela, nagkaroon siya ng MCL tear, but it's not serious. But hindi siya umabot sa opening day, no? But I think after 2 or 3 games makakalaro na si Sandy.
May bagong team captain kayo kasi talk about yung trust na binibigay mo sa especially medyo bata pa rin si Mamo compared to
Tradition naman namin sa team namin, no, we're a democracy, no. So every year we elect a team captain, whoever the team feels can lead them. And this year nung nag-team building kami, ang na-elect nga si Mamu. It's the younger generation now, no, that's taking over. Kasi si Bo at saka si Gabe nag-giveaway na sa sinabi nila na kailangan ipasa na nila yung torch dun sa mga younger generation. So hindi na sila nag-participate or they abstained or they recused themselves, no, from being elected. So napasa na ron sa mga bata. At ang napili nila ay si Gian Mamuyak, and then ang assistant team captain namin is si Kaylan. So ito yung mga bagong bagong dugo, bagong breed ng mga players. And we trust in them just like their teammates trust in them. Si Mamu naman dati nang naging team captain niya ng ng Ateneo. Yun nga lang yung time na natalo sila sa championship. Pero hindi naman siguro ganon mangyayari sa amin. Pero the mere fact na naipasa na yung torch dun sa mga bata, that means itong generation na to, itong grupo na to, they're willing to take on the challenge and they will face that challenge head on.
Coach, do you feel like mukhang mahirap din yung magiging path to return to the semifinals with the way Convergence improve and the other teams?
Yeah, very good observation, no? Alam natin yung mga malalakas na teams, malakas na no? Yung mga nasa middle tier na teams lalong lumakas, no? We're talking about Converge, we're talking about Blackwater, we're talking about Phoenix and Northport, no? Even Meralco, no? So mas mahirap talaga na makabalik ka ng kahit semifinals lang. We recognize that. But that's really part of the journey and the challenge. Hindi naman pwede na you get to that level dahil humina yung ibang teams, no? So, kung lumalakas yung ibang teams, kailangan rin maghanap ng paraan para ikaw din mag-improve. And yun nga, part of that is really beefing up our lineup with sina Stanley, getting our injured players back 100%, getting to know the system better and running it efficiently. Kasi yung mga iba, talagang game changers yung mga nila, no? Yung mga dinagdag nila sa team. No? Talagang yung masasabi natin, high impact na players. So, we have to step up to the challenge. Mas mahirap, pero ang tingin ko kaya pa rin.